Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to set up your HostGator email, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's actually quick and easy. So without further ado, let's climb into it. So to set up our email in HostGator, we want to go and look for hosting on the left-hand side over here, and we want to look for the quick link on the right-hand side. You'll see cPanel. So once we're in cPanel, if you click on this link, you'll find yourself here, and what we're looking for is the email accounts. Let's open this up. Now once we're in email accounts, we'll be able to manage, add, remove, and view all of our emails. So here we go. This is our very first email that we're going to set up here, but if we want to set up an additional one, we're going to click on create, and here you want to add your username, and of course you can do a different extension over here if you are having a domain with an email account added in there. You'll now have to also add your password over here, and then you can go ahead and create your email. So this is the very simple setup, and once you have set this up, you'll find the list of these emails over here. So if you have of course different extensions, so you'll have info at, or you'll have sales at, or accounting at, whatever the case may be, and your website. So if you go to the right here, you can click on check emails. This is where you'll be able to actually view your emails and send emails. So once you are in here, you'll have to just save and continue to the terms. And you want to click on this open my inbox when I log in if you would like to have it open up automatically. But here it uses round cube. We're going to go ahead, and this is where we manage everything. Another thing is you can actually bookmark this page. So if you don't want it to open up every time you open up your HostGator website, you can just click on here. It'll bookmark this, and you can access it anytime you want.